What's up, my beautiful people? You don't know it's Silent Boy Africa yesterday. So, guys, we're out here in the night right now. Me and my brother are out here, guys, and right now we're gonna catch some shrimps. You understand? Otherwise known as prawns, I think. Yeah, man. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you how we do it in Jamaica. You see me? Hopefully we catch some, cause yeah, it's been a long time since we done anything like this. You see me? This light is kind of killing me. But yeah, man, let's get straight into the video. Let's go now. Yeah. It's Island Boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world. Alright guys, so this is the net that we're gonna use. Yo, this net looks so rich, you know, it look whole and
Yes, man.
how you get this from my youth? I hope I not get copyright for the music I play, you know, because this is brother 9 with the music, you know. You see me?
That's where you go?
Yeah, I get copyright strike, virgin. I cannot earn $1 from this if that's the case, man. I'll put some music over it. You know. Man, I line up line. I don't know fishing, I go fishing right now. The line they look pretty though.
25 bone test too.
We have to go do some night fishing, guys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So me have trees, 2, 12,
Yeah.
15 if you can catch jack now.
Yeah. Try to catch a light in good, but anyway. Yo, me think I did one decent net in a virgin. Look there. How was that? It look tear up, man, and big and whole. Yeah, guys, we're out here that night. You see me? How hold the camera for me? Yo, somebody have to hold the camera. Anyway, this guy is still somebody have to hold it.
Come, Kim. Come here. Come here. Don't hold that camera.
Man, they catch one shrimps already. Oh my god. Yeah. So, alright, we go start it now. You can control the camera for me? Alright, it's a record already.
Just keep it pointing from both of you, right?
Yeah.
Nah, go work, man.
Where are the shrimps?
Only one.
Where?
One little shrimps.
One with the shrimps.
In True Valley, you them boy want friend. I got one. Really. That's not bad. Yes.
Shrimps are the boat are weak.
No for the water dirt here the next 2 feet.
Jar. Jesus. Yeah, the shrimp brethren. No. This is the Joe. It's small.
How long before this day turn out?
20 minutes work and after then it's not.
Okay. One piece of leaf in there and drum pot.
I'll give the fish right, so I'm trying back now. So right on the edge of the mesh, so.
Long jar?
Yeah.
In there.
So I'm about that, so. Just put the bucket on, I'll go.
Take it, man. Man, so man, you must flip again, right?
I know,
So.
Yeah, tell me so I shouldn't say that this one.
It's like a kitchen box.
These shrooms are jump from boy. And the last two dry well ago.
It's a beer grown.
Sit. What?
Oh,
go on.
Alright guys, so this is the catch. Didn't catch much really. Yeah, as you guys can see, the water was really dead. Don't know what's going on. It's been a while since we've done anything like this, so it was really a surprise. But yeah, few little shrimps. Let's see, fly, sitting there, come up enough on the light. left my slippers. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Yeah man, please leave a like, comment, subscribe and share. Let's go now.